We got this beautiful URUS S. You guys already know already, there's the older URUS, which is right here like mine. There is the URUS Performante that we've done a lot of wide bodies on. And here's the URUS S. So the URUS S is like a mix of the new URUS and the old URUS. Front lower lip is pretty much like the old URUS. Rear diffuser, like the old URUS. However, here on this corner is like the Performante, and the same thing with the back corner. But we went ahead and wide bodied this thing, 1016 Industries full carbon fiber kit. This car was originally in gloss black. We satin PPF'd it, so it has a full satin clear bra all over it. We painted the body kit first, and then we PPF'd it and put it on the car. Full carbon hood, we left the vents exposed. These are on the URUS S, actually, they don't really even come carbon, so we got these also from 1016. So we got on this carbon version that looks like the Performante. So really, really cool setup there. And obviously you got the carbon exposed flares with the vents, the front lower lip. We got the side skirts even. Looks really, really clean. And then obviously we have the newer wing tips in the back and the diffuser. This car also has RDB Signature wheels. This is our most popular wheel for wide bodies. It's incredible. This has the deep step lip, so it has like so many steps to it, and it looks really, really aggressive. This car we didn't do in the super slam mode, so we wanted it to keep really good drivability. The lower you go on these cars, the bouncier they get, and this is a nice safe height. Remember, this URUS S has air suspension like the old URUS, unlike the Performante, which we are unable to lower with links. So really cool to see another URUS done. This one has pretty cool interior, it has some green in there. So I can show you guys here. We got some green stitching all over with a lot of black leather, black suede. Looks really, really nice, of course. So yeah, you guys know I'm already a fan of the URUS. If you got one, you got to send it to RDB to wide body it. Here we have a Rolls Royce Cullinan wide body kit from 1016. This is our version 3 of the bumpers. Luis, go work. You haven't worked for the last 1 hour, so please go to work. You've caused me more damage today.
I don't work and nothing else because
you caused more damage today than good. Go and work. Okay. If you guys didn't know, I'm gonna say it. Luis had a boo-boo. His tool broke and it went through a carbon fiber flare on the URUS, and now we have to buy a new flare. It's about $6,000.
Huh?
Okay.
I said I can fix
You
that.
could have bought a C230 with that money.
I told you I can fix that.
You can't fix carbon fiber when it's broken.
And
Okay.
What do you say?
I say go back to work.
Too bad.
Okay, bye. So back to this amazing 1016 Industries version 3 wide body Cullinan kit. As you can see, the front bumper has been redesigned, and we have something super special to show you guys. What I'm holding in my hand is carbon fiber parts for the kit. Right here is black badge carbon fiber. This matches the black badge Cullinan's interior trims. If you guys know, black badge is the more prestigious version of the regular Cullinan, regular Rolls Royces, but this is a special carbon fiber that Rolls Royce does on the interiors. So we're the first with 1016 to offer black badge carbon fiber exterior for the Rolls Royce, matching the interior. So really, really sick. As you can see, this is gonna be where the light sits. You got that black badge carbon trim there. We have the trim in the middle there. We got the really cool diffuser in the back to show you guys. That's the diffuser. It's not sitting properly, obviously, because I can't put it on fully, but carbon fiber. And then we even have inserts for the side skirts. I mean, on a black car, this is gorgeous. but I could see it working on a lot of other ones. And you could do this on a non-black badge car if you want the carbon. Until now, Rolls Royce builds, people were doing forged carbon fiber, but it just doesn't make 100% sense. This makes sense because it matches the OEM black badge. So, I mean, just look at that. It's a really, really cool finish. And we're very, very excited to have this going on a car. So, we're gonna be completing this wide body Cullinan soon, and we're gonna show you all of this with the first ever black badge carbon. All right, guys, we have this beautiful SF90 Spider right here. We do a lot of these, as you guys know, so it might look like a similar one we did a few episodes ago, but this is a fresh SF90 build. It has a beautiful tan interior. This is the traditional Ferrari colorway, and it looks incredible on the SF90. But here are custom 21, 22-inch wheels. This customer needed wheels in 1 week. He needed custom wheels done for his SF90, 1 week, and we got it done for him. It's been lowered on Novatec springs as well. That's all it's got on there. He's later gonna do an exhaust system, a tune, a wing, stuff like that. But for now, he really hated his stock wheels. So we went ahead and changed it up for him real fast. He's gonna get towed to his house now. We're gonna bring back his old classic Chevelle to work on as well. So yeah, another day at RDB.
All right, so if you guys don't remember or do remember, I think we did give you an update on this one. This was the one that was wrapped in that very weird brown color. Customer came in, nearly had a heart attack the first time, told us to rip it off, take it off, and now this is the new upgraded color that he liked. This is much better than the first one he chose.
This is a way better color.
Yeah, this is much better.
It's like a matte, right?
This is like a matte. This is a matte green color. This car is it's almost done. So probably another maybe a few more days, and customer will finally enjoy to drive this car around.
Imagine he takes it off again.
You know, I wouldn't be surprised if he comes in and takes the wrap off again. But no, I mean he did come and he approved it a couple of days ago, so he's happy and we're good to go. That's it. Gotta go home. Play PlayStation.
Hey, can you spray the camera? Can you spray the camera? Oh my god, it smells really good.
Nice, okay. So if you guys didn't see our Instagram stories, we're starting the RDB Auto Care line again. It was doing tremendously well, but we were just too busy. So we kind of fell off on it, and then we stopped. Now we're gonna refresh it with all new merchandise, great stuff. We're gonna do the full colorful theme again. So right now we're testing caps. I'm filming. By the way, this is behind the scenes of what Louis.
He talked to me. He talked to me.
The guys that pay him more, this, that. That's what he does all day long.
Big.
He brought that shirt
Big,
home
don't-
and he set it up and he's hanging out. He's drinking a beer too or something.
Don't say.
I'm filming because I need to make money.
Yeah, but don't say that. Don't say
Okay.
that.
So as you can see, like this is auto shampoo, and look at it. It's like a fluorescent pink, really crazy. This is like a fluorescent green. This is the wheel and tire cleaner. We have our labels. We're gonna be using those same really nice labels, but I'm leaning towards this bottle cap. This is pretty expensive, but it's really nice. It has a lock because a lot of these things leak. Don't buy a Chrysler, please. And then you could unlock it, and then you could, do whatever you need to do. So really nice stuff. Like I said, we're gonna have. There's the ceramic quick detailer. Really, really good stuff. I mean, look at this color. I don't know if it shows in the camera, but this is a foamy soap, and it's like a purple neon color. Crazy. So we're gonna have all these crazy colorful tire shine. But yeah, we're gonna jumpstart this back. Once we're ready, we'll let you guys know. And we're gonna build a whole crazy site around it with a dealer network for our detailers to give them more business all around the world. So stay tuned, RDB Auto Care.
No way.
Adamaster has released their supercar, the Furia. Kind of looks like that Aston Martin. They make carbon fiber bodywork and fuel tanks, not cars, but wanted to try their hand at supercars.
It's pretty sick.
That thing looks crazy.
1.7, weighs 2,400 pounds, full carbon.
That's really cheap, right?
See, it does look like a Valkyrie.
Yeah.
That's really sick. Good shit. That's one of the, for like a no-name car manufacturer, whatever, to try it. That's a great job.
Video, thumbs up. See you next time. Órale.